Hello my dear students, welcome Sarah to today's session. Okay, quickly we will see today's problem. So that the length of loop of the curve 3ay square is equal to x into x minus a whole square is 4a by root 3. So check it out, given problem. So that the length of the loop we need to solve, otherwise we need to prove the given length of the loop will be 4a by root 3. For the given curve 3ay square is equal to x into x minus a whole square. Quickly we will move on to the solution. Given that the curve 3ay square is equal to x into x minus a whole square. Let us consider equation number 1. If you draw graph to this given curve, so that looks like this one. So this curve is passing through origin and meets at the point a comma 0. And the graph of the given curve is symmetrical about x-axis. You can see here graph. The given curve is symmetrical about x-axis, hence the equation of x-axis will be y equal to 0. Hence the equation of the line x-axis will be y equal to 0. Substitute y equal to 0 for the given curve 1. So that will be gives you 1 gives you 3 into a 0 is equal to x into x minus a whole square. Simplify this equation, you will get this is 0 is equal to x into x minus a whole square. A, b equal to 0, a equal to 0, b equal to 0, we know that. So that will be written as x equal to 0 and x minus a whole square equal to 0. Simplify this one, x minus a equal to 0, x equal to 0. Hence, here the curve passing through the origin and meets at the point a comma 0. So as you are getting by solving above equation, by substituting y equal to 0, you are getting x equal to 0 and x is equal to a. Hence the x ranges from 0 to a. For the loop, in the first part it x varies from, as I said earlier, x varies from x equal to 0 to x is equal to a. As we know that to find the length of the given curve, we must have the formula is this one. That is denoted by letter s. S is equal to 2 times integration a to b under the square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square into dx. Here 2 is constant. Why? Because here the curve, this one is 1 and this is another one. So this is double. So to find the length of the given curve, 2 times of the given formula, integration a to b 1 plus dy by dx whole square into dx. From equation number 1, to solve for y, so integration a to b 1 plus dy by dx whole square into dx. To calculate dy by dx, we need y. So compute y from equation number 1. So that will be written as from 1, y square can be written as x into x minus a whole square by 3a. Taking squaring on both sides, taking squaring on both sides, you will get, taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Y is equal to square root x into x minus a by root of 3a. Take this equation number 2. Now differentiate 2 with respect to x on both sides. differentiate to with respect to x on both sides, you will get dy by dx is equal to 1 by root 3a constant take outside. Remaining d by dx of remaining function, that is root x into x minus a. Get the differentiation root x into x minus a. So take this is u, this is v format. U v dash, u is as it is, v dash 1 minus 0 plus v x minus a, and take the derivative for x, for u, that will be 1 by 2 root x. Simplify this equation, you will get 1 by root 3a times root x plus x minus a into 1 by 2 root x. Get the LCM. LCM will be 2 root x, 2 root x and root x, that will be 2x plus x minus a. Again simplify, that will be ends with dy by dx is equal to 1 by root of 3a, 2x plus x will be 3x minus a as it is by 2 root x. Okay? 1 minute we will continue. Okay, again continue here. As you calculated dy by dx, now calculate d1 plus dy by dx whole square. So that will be 1 plus 3x minus a by 2 root x root 3a. Okay? So that is a whole square. Now 1 plus 3x minus a whole square by 12ax. Now you can simplify this one. Take LCM 12ax and then simplify, you will get 12ax plus 9x square plus a square minus 6ax by 12ax. Again simplify, 12ax minus 6ax will be, so that will be plus 6ax, 9x square as it is and a square as it is. In denominator 12x will be there. Now numerator can observe 9x square can be written as 3x whole square, a square as it is. 6ax can be written as 2 into 3x into a. So that will be again 6ax, denominator same. Now resultant 1 plus dy by dx whole square will be 3x plus a whole square. Since a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square format, that is 3x plus a whole square by 12ax. Now take under the square root. 1 plus dy by dx whole square, that will be under the square root of 3x plus a. So here square and root cancelled out. Here remains 3x plus a by root 12ax. 3x plus a by 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So in square root 4 into 3, square of 4 will be, square root of 4 will be 2 and root 3 as it is, root 3a and root x as it is. Now actual formula of length of the given curve will be s is equal to 2 times, you know that, 2 times integration 0 to a, and this is what the under the square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square as you calculated above. Substitute same thing here, 3x plus a by 2 root of 3a root x. Okay? So here 1 by 2 root 3a can, that is constant, take outside. And here remains 3x plus a by root x, it remains. 2 will be cancelled out. So remains here 1 by root 3a, integration 0 to a. This x can be written as root x into root x. So that will be root x into root x and denominator is same. Okay? And a by root x plus a by root x. Now this root x cancelled out, remains here 3 into x power 1 by 2. Root x can be written as x power 1 by 2 plus a into denominator root x can be written as in numerator, that will be x power minus 1 by 2. Now split the integration into two parts. Integration 0 to a 3x power 1 by 2 dx plus integration 0 to a a into x power minus 1 by 2 dx. Now get the integration. 1 by root 3a, 1 by root 3a I take outside, that is already constant. 3 into x power 1 by 2 integration will be x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus a is outside constant, that is x power minus 1 by 2 integration will be x power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. Simplify this one, 1 by root 3a and here 2a root a, so that will be here 3 cancel here, okay. In denominator 2 will be, numerator that will be 2 times, and if you substitute limits from 0 to a, you will get 2a root a plus here also 2a root a. If you substitute limits, upper limit and lower limit, you will get this one. Now s is equal to 1 by root 3 into root a plus into that will be 2a root a plus 2a root a will be 4 times a root a. So that will be a 1 root a cancelled out, remains here 4a by root 3. So this is what exactly the required length of the given curve. Now up to this is enough. We will meet in the next session. Thank you very much. 1 second, go through this. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me through my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.